welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Sharnice and welcome back to Simply Nequa. Welcome to Simply Nequa. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to do another episode of Wreck My Journal, and yeah, this is episode number 3. The first page says to document time passing in a new environment. So all I'm going to do is document the time from when I start, like right now, doing this whole process of the different pages I'm going to do for this week's episode till the end. So every once in a while I'm going to look at the clock and I'm going to see what the time is, and then I'm going to write it on this page. So right now it is 2:17. So I'm going to put that on this paper for the first time that I am going to document.
It makes me anxious, wanna be a big love.
As I do that throughout the whole process of the different pages I'm going to do this week, I'm going to go ahead and move over to the second page. So the second page, it says, it looks like this: hide this page in someone's bag or pocket, and before you do that, you're going to write a cute little note. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to tear this out. I'm going to fold this up. I'm going to write open me.
The one who set my breath, I can get out of my head. This no never ends, 'cause you are nothing.
So the next page I'm going to do, it says to climb up high and then drop this book down.
Are you saying that? Are you saying
I just looked at the clock again and it is 2:24, if you can read that, and so I'm going to report that on that page again. The next page that I'm going to do, it says find a piece of cardboard in the next 5 minutes and tape it here. So let's see if I can find some cardboard in 5 minutes in my room. Let's start the timer, which is at 5 minutes, and let's start, and here it goes.
are you saying
So I did it before 5 minutes is up. I have left 3 minutes. I have left 2 minutes and 54 seconds. So I did that. So now I'm going to cut up some of these cardboard boxes that I found and put different types of cardboard in the book. Yeah. So this is the first cardboard, and I'm not going to take this whole thing in there, but I'm going to cut out the instrument cable section part out. So I'm going to cut that word out and tape it in the book. And then this cardboard mail that I got from Live Love Polish came in the mail, and I still have it, and I'm going to cut out their logo and put it in the journal. And then from one of my favorite mystery figure collection, I still have one in the box so I can know what I have left to get. So I'm going to cut out the logo part of this box and put it in the journal.
are you saying are you saying
The next page says to write down all the street names in your area. So some street names that I found very interesting, and so I'm just going to kind of name some that I found out. And there's a street called Again Street. There's a Gateway Street. There's an Alligator Lane here. There's a Bowling Alley Street. There's a Dad's Way Street. There's a Rainbow Street as well. There's a Rain Tree Court, and there's a Pleasant Way. So I thought that was some interesting street names. So yeah, that is the street name page. Okay, so after all of that, we have a fun one for you, and this one says to tie a string to this journal and to just basically drag it. Basically drag this journal all the way around. So I'm going to tie a string to this journal somehow, some way, and I'm going to go outside and drag it around.
Are you saying?
So we are at another page where I get to pick my own wrecking method. So I have a fun one. On this page where I get to choose my own wrecking method, while I was at the Dollar Tree, I was thinking, and I got some silly string, but they call it goofy string. So I'm going to spray that onto the my own wrecking method page. So let's go.
Are you saying?
And unfortunately, the last page that I'm going to do for this week's episode of Wreck This Journal says to cover this page in circles that you find. So when I was at the Dollar Tree getting goofy string, I seen this, some goofy eyes. So I'm going to glue 125 goofy eyes onto that page, and I'm going to do that right now. Yay!
Wanna be a big love. Are you saying? Are you saying?
So I really hope you liked this week's journal entries of this Wreck My Journal, my edition. So if you did, how about give me some support and go down below and like this video if you really liked it. And while you're down there, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there's going to be more throughout the week. And also hit the great notification bell so you'll be notified, obviously. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this week's Wreck My Journal. And if you missed the first 2 episodes, don't worry, I'll have it at the end of the video down below. If I have forgotten any of those, you can go ahead and click on my channel and find it that way. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next week with another. Bye.